Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to create this very beautiful and easy mandala tea cup design. You don't need any special tools to create this design. If you have a dotting tool, you can use that, or a toothpick or a blunt pencil tip, some earbuds and pencils. And these are some of the shells painted by my daughter. So begin by taking any single colored cup, and I began by the base of the cup. I painted a semicircle using black acrylic color, and after this, using a dotting tool, I used white acrylic color to make the first line of dots. If you do not have a dotting tool, you can use a pencil tip. To make a finer dot, you have to have a sharp pencil, and if you want a thicker dot, you can use a blunt pencil. You can also do this using the back of a toothpick. So I covered the black semicircle by these tiny white dots, and that's the first layer of a mandala. For the second layer, I mixed some colors and I made this deep pinkish kind of color, and using the same dotting tool, I made another line of dots just above the white dots. Next, I used a deeper blue color to make the slightly bigger dots, and this is how you'll go on and finish off the design. And then I used this metallic silver color. This is also acrylic color which I have used, and I created the next line just above the blue dots. Then I created a line of bigger dots using an earbud and some red acrylic color. Earbuds are really easy to use and they give a very nice rounded dots. Just tap them gently on the cup and don't press too much. If you press too much, the dots will be bigger. But over here I wanted a medium sized dot. So I dabbed it gently to get the medium sized dots. And after the red dots, I chose the back of a pencil and yellow color to make slightly bigger dots. And I kept the distance a little bit more because I'll be making some other things inside. Then using white acrylic color, I created this pattern between the yellow dots and I repeated it throughout the design. Then using the same technique, I created some more medium sized dots using green color and an earbud. And in between the green dots, I created some smaller light green colored dots. Again, using the earbud and a very light yellow color, almost creamish color, I made some larger dots towards the top of the design. And then using deeper blue color, I created this pattern all around the larger dots. The dots becoming smaller as I move downwards, and I repeated this on all the bigger dots. Then I repeated the same pattern using the deeper orange color, the dot becoming smaller as I move downwards, and I repeated this on all the bigger dots. Then for the last layer I used some metallic green color and I finished off the design by making this pattern between all the larger dots, and I repeated it throughout the cup. Once the design dries up, you can give it a layer of Mod Podge to keep the design intact and to seal it, but I didn't have Mod Podge, so I left it as such. I hope you enjoyed this very easy mandala teacup art, and thanks for watching.